Hello, everyone. I want to pop in really fast to share with you guys a very good source for you guys that are starting out creating junk journals or you're thinking about it. I wish that I had known about this kit when I started because I was scrummaging around trying to collect everything so that I could begin my junk journal journey, and it is a journey. But anyway, so this kit I purchased it on Amazon, and it was a total of $15. I purchased this kit because I was looking for a bone folder. I purchased this bone folder for about 15 bucks to replace the pink one because I chipped the end of the pink one. So I was looking around for bone folders and I came across this one, this whole kit on Amazon. So for the price of one bone folder, I saw this one. And the reason I was wanting to purchase another bone folder was because this one, as you can tell, is quite thick. So anyway, to everything that is in the kit. So this is everything that you need to start your junk journal. They have some paper clips, some nice scissors. They've got this little awl, and they have some waxed linen thread. You've got your large needles and bookbinding ribbon. You've got a steel ruler. So you have 4 clips. That's another clip on there. And this is a glue brush. I will not use that, but everything else will be used. And this is why I purchased the kit, you guys, for these 2 bone folders. And I can tell you that they're very good quality. So for the same price of purchasing one of these, I got all of this. And this is going to yield quite a few journals. I would say probably even just one roll can do quite a few. And you have different colors. So while I'm at that, and I'm going to put this video on Facebook as well because I want as many people to know about this because like I said, when I started out, I wish I had known about this because it's only 15 bucks and you can go and get everything that you need to start because I think I paid around 15 bucks for my thread alone as well, probably 10 bucks. I don't think I would have paid 15. So I want to tell you guys also about this, and I've made, so hope that was covered up. That didn't show my address, but anyway, if it did, who cares? But anyway, so all of this I purchased from dollarbead.com, and I'm going to have those links in the description box below. So I've made another purchase, and you guys, some of you may know I have a ton of beads. Now, I love the Jesse James beads, and you can now even get those at Walmart for a good price. But some of your nicer Jesse James beads, and those are the really, really nice beads, I wait till they come on sale at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, and then I clean up on them. But I tend to hoard those beads, and I don't know why. But anyway, so I purchased all of these from dollarbead.com. One string is $1. And you don't have to purchase this much. I was going crazy because a lot of these were on sale because they have some that are 30 cents, 40 cents, and 50 cents. And stuff like that, and even 70 cents. So I was kind of going a little cray-cray with that purchase. So you can see the different colors and everything. I just got like a variety. And these are some that are just loose. But they have acrylic beads. They have glass beads. They have different kinds of beads, you guys. The cat's eye beads. So if any of you guys are interested in that, you should probably go over and check it out if you're into making dangles and charms like I am. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Thank you all for watching. Have a lovely night, evening, day, wherever you are.